Hi, boys and girls. This is Fido Day 30, Monday, May 4th. The last thing we need to do before we end math today is we needed to review some of the vocabulary that you're going to hear in this chapter 12, geometry. And it's vocabulary that you heard last year. Okay? The first one is right there. It's a point. And a point is pictured by a dot. It's always named with a capital letter. So take a look at that example. That's point A. Then you also learned about a line segment, which is a straight path between 2 points. This is line segment BC, or you can reverse the order of the letters to BCB. You can write it with a little symbol. See how there's a little line above the letters BC, and there's a little line above the letters CB there. The next one is a line itself, and a line is a straight path that goes on forever. See the arrows showing that? It goes on forever in both directions. So the reason this is a line and this isn't is because this has the arrow showing that it goes beyond points D and beyond point E in the opposite directions. You can see that this is called line DE, or you can reverse the letters, line ED. You can also see that you can make the little line symbol over those letters to name it. And the last one on the top here is a ray. A ray is different from a line, and it's different from a line segment. A ray is a straight path that goes on forever in just one of the directions, not in both. This is ray FG, or you could say, or you cannot reverse the letters in a ray. You have to use the end point letter first, and then one of the other points on the ray second. So you would always call this ray F, and then another letter that's on the ray in this particular example. Take a look at the little symbol that you use to say ray FG. We already talked about angles. I'm just going to show you them one more time. An acute angle, it's going to be less than 90 degrees. It's going to look like a V, especially if you turn your paper. A right angle is going to look like an L. Remember, it's exactly 90 degrees, and a lot of times you'll see that little box in there. Even if you turn it, it's still measuring 90 degrees. Okay? And then the last one that we're going to talk about is an obtuse angle. And an obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. Okay? It's over the 90 degree mark. You can see, remember I told you guys it looks like hang loose. Hang loose with your fingers. Okay? I hope this little review helped you. I did attach this to the email with the directions, this paper, if you have a printer and want to print it out. If not, you could always pause this video and copy it onto a piece of scrap paper right now by hand. Okay, boys and girls, talk to you tomorrow. Fido Day 31 tomorrow. No submission today. Yay!